Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix Apple ID verification failed unknown error. Have you ever encountered an error on your iPhone that says error connecting to Apple ID verification failed while installing a game or listening to music, or after updating your device? This error occurs frequently whenever you try to connect to Apple Store, iTunes, iCloud, etc. from your device. In this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check the Apple ID service status. Start by ensuring that Apple ID servers are operational. Sometimes service issues can lead to this error. You can check the service status on Apple's official website or wait for a while and try again, and you are done. And the next step is check your date and time settings. When communicating with Apple servers, your device date and time settings must accurately match. Ensure that the date and time settings on your device is correct. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, and then tap on date and time and enable set automatically to ensure accurate synchronization, and you are done. And the next step is fix your internet connection. Unstable or slow internet connections can cause Apple ID verification to fail. Make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data. Try switching to a different network and attempt verification again. For this, go to settings and then tap on Wi-Fi and then try connecting to another network, and you are done. And the next step is disable active VPNs. Some VPNs connection may interfere with communications to Apple servers. If you have an active VPN on your device, try disabling it and then attempt Apple ID verification. For this, go to settings and then tap on VPN and then tap on status toggle button to turn it off, and you are done. And the next step is change the password and try again. Password related issues can sometimes lead to verification failures. Try changing your Apple ID password and then attempt the verification process again. For this, go to settings and then tap on the Apple ID at the top. Next, tap on sign in and security. From here, you can change your password and you are done. And the next step is get an Apple ID verification code. If you have two-step verification or two-factor authentication enabled, you may need to use a verification code to verify your Apple ID. Obtain and enter the correct verification code when prompted during the verification process, and you are done. And the next step is sign out and back into iCloud. To do this, go to settings and then tap on your Apple ID at the top. Next, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on sign out, and afterward sign back into your Apple ID again, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of Apple ID verification failed unknown error, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.